Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Dan Rock, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to ride a motorcycle on a public road, and I'm going to use for demonstration my own motorcycle, which is 2023 Honda Rebel 500 CMX. And before we jump on this bike, I just want to mention that I have created part 1 and part 2 series of how to ride motorcycles, so I'm going to put the link below this video into the description where you can go and check it out. This is going to be part 3 of the series of how to ride a motorcycle. I'm going to show you and demonstrate how to use the throttle, the clutch, and the gear shifter on this bike. This bike has 6 gears. I hope you guys practiced this motion when you ride in the motorcycle, okay? It's going to help you a lot. I learned how to ride a motorcycle myself. I did not go through the MSF course, which stands for Motorcycle Safety Foundation, but I'm not the instructor. I'm not a professional rider. I'm just sharing my experience of what works for me. So let's hop on this bike really quick. Put the kickstand up, because if it's down, the bike won't start. While I'm riding this motorcycle and doing the demonstration for you, I'm gonna say things like clutch in, okay? So on the left side, that's where I pull the clutch in, and it disengages the power that transfers to the wheels of the bike. When I say clutch out, that's when I release the clutch and we transfer the power of the engine to the wheels, so the bike starts moving, okay? Roll on, that's when I give the gas, open the throttle, and then roll off, that's when I stop delivering power from the engine to the wheels. So clutch in, clutch out on the left side, and then roll on, roll off on the right side. Pull the clutch in every time I downshift or upshift on this bike, okay? Make sure your kill switch is off. I'm gonna pull on the brake, clutch in, and I'm gonna start the bike. So the bike is started. I'm gonna release the brake and I'm gonna clutch out. So the bike's not going anywhere because it's in neutral. Clutch in, shift down, and we in first gear. Gonna slowly clutch out and roll on the throttle just like that, and the bike's gonna start moving, okay? And I now completely released the clutch. So right now I'm just controlling the gas. So I just do roll on. We're gonna go around here. Okay. We're still in the first gear. Give a little more gas. You see, the bike is revving higher. I'm gonna clutch in, roll off, and go into the second gear. And roll on. Clutch out, roll on. I'm still holding the clutch. Giving a little bit more gas. I'm off the clutch. Okay, clutch in, roll off, and then roll on. Downshift into the first gear, and then clutch out and roll on. Still holding the clutch a little bit, let it go now. Clutch in, roll off, second gear, roll on. You hear those revs? Clutch in, roll off, clutch out, roll on. So now we're in third gear. Pretty easy, huh? It just takes time and practice, lots of practice, and you'll get used to it. So I'm gonna come over here to the stop sign. I'm gonna clutch in, brake, downshift into the second gear, neutral, and the first gear. We're gonna stop. Signal. I'm holding the clutch. Still holding. I'm gonna release the brake a little bit and just move forward a little bit. I'm not completely releasing the clutch, I'm still holding the clutch, okay? Also, you gotta learn how to use the friction zone. That's when you release the clutch to the point where you can feel the bike starts moving. That's your friction zone, and then you just give a little bit of gas and the bike moves. We're gonna go now. Clutch out a little bit, roll onto the throttle, and go. Clutch out, roll off, shift up. Clutch in, roll off, clutch out, roll on. Clutch in, roll off, clutch out, roll on. Fourth gear. Clutch in, roll off, up, shifting into the 5th gear. And now we're just controlling the speed with the throttle, okay? So we're about to come to a stop. I'm gonna put on the brakes on, the front and the rear brake. I'm gonna clutch in and I'm gonna slowly downshift. 4th gear while holding the clutch, 3rd gear, 2nd gear. All right, now we're ready to go. Clutch out, roll on. 1st gear, clutch in, roll off, shift into the 2nd gear, clutch out, roll on. Clutch in, roll off, shifting into the 3rd, clutch out, roll on. Revving up higher, clutch in, roll off, clutch out, roll on. 4th gear, baby. And just maintain the speed with your throttle right here. The car is braking in front of us. Alright, I'm gonna clutch in, both brakes engaged, downshift into the 3rd, clutch out, roll on. I don't know what happened here, but we're gonna go slow. A little bit more gas. Alright, clutch in, roll off, shift, clutch out, roll on. Revving higher, clutch in, roll off, shifting up, clutch out, roll on. 5th gear, that's all I need for this speed right here. Take this ramp into the exit. Alright. I'm not holding the clutch, I'm off the throttle. I'm gonna clutch in and downshift into the 4th gear and then slowly clutch out and roll on. Clutch in, roll off, shift up, clutch out, roll on. Not holding the clutch, I'm only staying on the throttle, okay? Just roll on, baby. Gonna turn the signal on, 4th gear, and I'm gonna upshift once I get to the speed. Okay, clutch in, roll on, roll off. All right. 5th gear. So every time you switch the gears up or down, you're gonna use this clutch on your left side, okay? We're gonna go to the right, check the blind spot, move into this lane, and we're gonna take this turn. Alright, so I'm clutch in, braking, downshifting into the 4th gear, 3rd gear, 2nd gear, holding the clutch, and then clutch out, roll on, and take this turn, clutch in, taking the turn, clutch out, roll on. And we're gonna park under this tree right here. Alright, clutch in, roll off, and shift into the neutral. We're gonna stop. I'm in neutral so I can let it go. So this is how it's done, okay? It wasn't that hard, it just takes practice. Be very confident in your skills and be able to conquer the roads with confidence. This is it for today. Let me know if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos when they come out on my channel. And thank you as always for watching. This is Dan Rock, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.